I am Kinley Cunningham. Welcome to the 4th grade awards assembly. We want to welcome you to celebrate our successful 9 weeks. Hard work pays off. Now Tucker Wagner will lead us in the pledge.
Please stand and face the flag. Put your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Now let's read with A and B's.
All right, AB Honor Roll Certificate. Max Montgomery. Tyler Henshaw. Ethan Burke. Garrett Manning. Abram Gilliland. Molly Kinzer. Kason Smith. Aubrey Bennett. Bradley Beachley. Troy Cantrell. Kinley Cunningham. These guys work hard to get their A's and B's, right? You too can be standing up here next 9 weeks, right? All right, give them a round of applause. You guys walk around.
I'm thankful for all my teachers because they help me do my best.
I am thankful for all the people that helped me and pushed me to do my best.
I like to thank my teachers for helping me knowing all the stuff I do now.
So for the third 9 weeks, we have 3 students who have all A's. Several of you who had A's and B's were that close to having straight A's. So for this last 9 weeks, let's work a little harder, and hopefully next time you'll get an all A certificate. Tucker Wagner. Karis Hudson. Emily Burke. All right, those are our A's for the third 9 weeks. Time to go through the banner.
I would like to thank my teachers and my parents for helping me get to where I am today, and I would like to thank my friends like Emily and Kinley and Allie for helping me bring my confidence up this year.
I'm thankful for all my teachers and parents that helped me do my work.
I would like to thank my parents and my teachers for helping me where I am right now.
Okay, Troy Cantrell. Good job, buddy. Karis Hudson. Allie McGuire. Bradley Beachler. Ethan Burke. Emily Burke. Kinley Cunningham. Abram Gilliland. Garrett Mannion. Rexton Williamson.
I'd like to thank my teachers for teaching me all the stuff I know now and making me so much more smarter, and my parents for helping me with the online schooling.
Thank you, Mom, for helping me when I have trouble at school.
I'm thankful for the teachers that help me do my work when I need it.
Best friend to all, Tucker Wagner.
Another best friend to all is Daisy Trago. Most athletic is Gavin Meadows. Another most athletic is Emily Burke. Some of them seem surprised by me. Most artistic, Elijah Hansen. Another most artistic is Dylan Fink. Most artistic is Kylie Foister. And happy birthday to Kylie. The next most artistic is Hallie Morris. And Hallie knows she loves to draw. Classroom leader is Max Montgomery. Biggest bookworm, Hunter Dennis. Most likely to brighten your day, Javier Sandoval. Classroom leader, Bradley Beechler. Computer whiz, Anthony Campanero. Excellent effort is Rexton Williamson. Is excellent effort Colton Holland.
All of you are special to us, and all of you have a good quality that you can share with others. You may not be the best in math, you may not be the best in social studies, or in reading, or writing, but you have purpose and you have a gift. Right? Right. So we wanted to recognize you guys for that. That's what this is. Okay? We see your gifts. Right? So we want to give you an award for it. All right. Future teacher, McKinley Swank. I don't think McKinley likes school much at the beginning, but I'll tell you what, she has turned around like crazy. I think she even likes math. Another future teacher, Jalen Baker. Could be though, right? Another future teacher, and this runs in her family, Aubrey Bennett. Hardest worker, Allie McGuire, who has put a lot of time into stuff, haven't you?
Yep.
Painful for you and your mom, hasn't it been?
Yes.
Hardest worker, Bella Lamphanier. Most improved, Braden Allison. Most improved, Gianna Sykes. Best listener, Troy Cantrell. Girls, that one's a keeper. They listen well. Best listener, Logan Lester. Math whiz, woo-hoo, Tyler Henshaw. Best memory, Karis Hudson. Most organized, Kason Smith. Your mom will be proud. Future scientist, Luke Burton.
All right. Most likely to be smiling, Brianna Winterod. I'm sure she's smiling now. Another most likely to be smiling, Paige Fisher. You can see that smile through the mask. Another most likely to be smiling, Kylie Gillespie. One more most likely to be smiling, Drake Littler. With a lot of happy fourth graders. Awesome attitude, Kinley Cunningham. Another awesome attitude is Bristol Coffee. Best team player, Garrett Mannion. Most thoughtful is Noelle Callahan. Most thoughtful, Emma Whitley. Writing wizard goes to Molly Kinzer. Most confident goes to Jack Newberry, and he is absent today. Most confident, Ethan Burke. Good citizen, Bentley Morris. And since I love to teach history, the best historian is Abram Gilliland. Congratulations to all of you. As Mrs. Reed said, you all have something special to offer, so keep up the good work.
My name is Kara Sutz, and I want to thank everyone for coming to our awards ceremony today. I'm really proud of everyone who has received an award, and I think you all should be proud as well. We have faced a difficult year, but we have proven that we can still be successful. We are showing that we are proud to be Bearcats. Keep working hard. Before we dismiss, I want to wish Miss Holbert a happy birthday today. We will now dismiss by rows, starting with the bottom row.